Hola YouTube, mi llamo es Aaron. Hello YouTube, my name is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and today we are going to be doing day 4 of our LEGO Advent Calendar. Alright, so it's the 4th day of Advent, and that means that it's day 4 of our Advent build video. So let's look for day 4. Oh, it's right here. So let's open this up and see what it is. I'm going to do this without tearing them. Oh, it's a dog. Would have been fitting if one of the dogs were here. So, yeah. Let's see if we can get that up close to camera. Okay, so it's a dog. It's a little like husky. Let's see if we can get that guy in there. Comes with a little bowl that hypothetically could plug in like on his back or on like it's got a single peg thing on him, as well as the peg on the back of the dog. And I think the dog fits on bricks as well. He's got little markings in his feet for that. And he came with a chicken drumstick. That's my first ever LEGO chicken drumstick, and LEGO plate, I think, actually. So, no assembly required, but you could attach the drumstick to the dog if you want. And while I'm doing that, we're thinking about Christmas videos, or like not videos, but like Christmas movies and holiday traditions. Do you guys have any movies that you like to watch for the holidays, or certain shows or specials that you watch? I know I personally like to watch Charlie Brown Christmas Special, but traditionally Val and I, either leading up to or on Christmas, will watch A Muppet Christmas Carol and what's the other one? Oh, Christmas Story. The one with Ralphie and the Daisy Red Ryder air rifle with the compass in the stock and the thing that tells time. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. So that's what we typically like to watch. I'm just like trying different things on the dog here. So as cool as the dog is, it's debatable whether this is as lackluster as the minifigure or more, because there's like literally no assembly. And for me personally with LEGO, a lot of it's about the assembly. But yeah, and the boy's got a dog, I guess, and the dog's got a meal. So it'd be cool if the dog had a clip on his mouth so you could like clip the food in there or something. That'd be clever. It's Laika if we put him on the rocket ship. Here, let's see if this works. Yeah. So first dog in space. Make sure to pack your meal for when you're going to space. And maybe bring some space money with you in case, you know, you get hustled by some aliens. So it's all about the different permutations and ways of play, right? That's what we're doing with LEGO. So let's put that back together. I like the rocket as it is, personally. I wonder if the dog could fit in the car. If it's anything like Duncan or Leonard, it's just like either no idea, like with Duncan, the long one, in case you don't know who Duncan is, he barfs like crazy whenever we go anywhere. And he also poops. Recently, that's become a thing. Leonard, however, used to get motion sickness, but in his old age with his heavy cataracts, I don't think he even knows that he's in a car anymore. So he's just like, oh, we are in a giant box. I am sitting on Uncle Aaron's lap. There is Grandpa. There is Mommy. Duncan is barfing in the back seat. Yeah, and in case you're unaware, Leonard is secretly a Russian oligarch. That's the whole the canon that we have with our dogs. So yeah, so he can ride sideways, I guess. So drive him to his rocket launch. Whoop. Offload. Will he clip onto the back somehow? Oh, I just got an idea of how to use the other pieces from the rocket ship, the extra pieces. We'll put this stud on his back, and I think that should give us enough space to clip him. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Well, eventually we'll get there. For now, he'll just have to ride side saddle or something. Yeah, I can't think of a way to combine him without, like, it being very weird. So, yeah. Like I said earlier, if there's, like, Christmas movies that you guys like to watch or traditions you do with your TV or stuff like that, I know that's a weird way to say that, but let us know in the comments down below. We appreciate your guys' feedback and community and all that fun stuff. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Make sure that you ring the bell for notifications if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, think about subscribing. We post new stuff constantly. And we're going to be doing one of these every day for the next 20 days, I guess now, because we're on day 4. And we'll be posting regular content as well. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a happy holiday.
Hey, Duncan. Hey, Duncan. Hey, buddy. You want to know what I got you for Christmas? It's a baby brother.